Ensure the filter is clean and ready for use. Remove the hose from its holding position and the top. Remove the crumb tray and insert under the crumb tray. Remove the hold-down ring and filter paper. Remove the SantaGrid screen. Ensure the pan is clean. If water is used to clean the pan, ensure all water is removed. Reassemble the pan. The SantaGrid screen goes in first. Ensure it's positioned on the pins in the bottom of the pan. Center the hold-down ring on the filter paper. Wrap the paper around the ends of the hold-down ring and lift it into the filter pan. Ensure the filter paper wraps up against the side of the pan and above the hold-down ring. Position the insert under the crumb tray. Position the crumb tray. Ensure it's captured by the back of the filter pan. Spread a packet of filter powder over the filter paper. Ensure the portable filter is plugged into power. Ensure you have proper protective gloves and equipment. Hot oil can cause serious burns. Ensure the fryer is at or near operating temperature. Turn the fryer off with a switch or at the gas valve. Locate and attach, if necessary, the drain extension on the fryer's drain valve. Ensure the downspout is pointed down and position the portable filter under the downspout. Open the drain valve slowly to minimize splashing. Leave the drain valve open at that position. Position the return hose in the fryer vat. Turn the portable filter switch to return. Carefully aim the return hose into the fryer vat, using the flow to wash debris from the vat. The oil flows from the vat into the filter pan. When the vat is sufficiently clean, or when a time limit set by store management elapses, close the drain valve. Leave the return hose in the fryer vat. Oil will rise in the vat. As the filter pan empties, bubbles will form in the vat. Allow the bubbling to go on for 5 to 10 seconds to clean the return hose of oil. Turn the filter pump off with the toggle switch. Switch on the portable filter's heater if solid shortening has been filtered to ensure no shortening solidifies in the filter or the pump. Return the top of the portable filter and store it with the heater on if solid shortening was filtered. Remove the drain extension and store it. Return the fryer to operation. Clean up any spilled oil.